Here, we'll take a look at some of the most common financial mistakes that often lead people to major economic hardship. Even if you're already facing financial difficulties, steering clear of these mistakes could be the key to survival. Hey there, and welcome to the Daytime Dollar, where we talk about financial strategies and how small changes can make big improvements. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Today, we're talking about 7 common money mistakes and how to avoid them. So let's get into it. Number 1. Excessive and frivolous spending. Great fortunes are often lost $1 at a time. It may not seem like a big deal when you pick up that double mocha cappuccino, or have dinner out, or order that pay-per-view movie. But every little item adds up. Just $25 per week spent on dining out costs $1,300 per year, which could go towards an extra card, auto payment, or several extra payments. If you're enduring financial hardship, avoiding this mistake matters after all. If you're only a few dollars away from foreclosure or bankruptcy, every dollar will count more than ever. Number 2. Never-ending payments. Ask yourself if you need items that keep you paying monthly, year after year. Things like cable television, music services, or high-end gym memberships can force you to pay unceasingly, but leave you owning nothing. When money is tight or you just want to save more, creating a leaner lifestyle can go a long way to fattening your savings and cushioning yourself from financial hardship. Number 3. Living on borrowed money. Using cards to buy essentials has become somewhat commonplace. But even if an ever-increasing number of consumers are willing to pay double-digit profit rates on gasoline, groceries, and a host of other items that are gone long before the bill is paid in full, it's not wise financial advice to do so. Card profit rates make the price of the charged items a great deal more expensive. In some cases, using cards can also mean you'll spend more than you earn. Number 4. Spending too much on your house. When it comes to buying a house, bigger is not necessarily better. Choosing a 6,000 square foot home will only mean more expensive taxes, maintenance, and utilities unless you have a large family. Do you want to put such a significant long-term dent in your monthly budget? Number 5. Using home equity like a piggy bank. Refinancing and taking cash out of your home means giving away ownership to someone else. In some cases, refinancing might make sense if you can lower your rate, or if you can refinance and pay off higher profit debt. However, the other alternative is to open a home equity line of credit. This allows you to effectively use the equity in your home like a card. This could mean paying unnecessary profit to use your home equity line of credit. Number 6. Living paycheck to paycheck. Many households may live paycheck to paycheck, and an unforeseen problem can easily become a disaster if you're not prepared. The cumulative result of overspending puts people into a precarious position, one in which they need every dime they earn, and one missed paycheck would be disastrous. This is not the position you want to find yourself in when an economic recession hits. If this happens, you'll have very few options. Many financial planners will tell you to keep 3 months' worth of expenses in an account where you can access it quickly. Loss of employment or changes in the economy could drain your savings and place you in a cycle of debt paying for debt. A 3-month buffer could be the difference between keeping or losing your house. Number 7. Not investing in retirement. If you do not get your money working for you in the markets or through other income-producing investments, you may never be able to stop working. Making monthly contributions to designated retirement accounts is essential for a comfortable retirement. Take advantage of tax-deferred retirement accounts or your employer-sponsored plan. Understand the time your investments will have to grow and how much risk you can tolerate. Consult a qualified financial advisor to match this with your goals if possible. To steer yourself away from the dangers of overspending, start by monitoring the little expenses that add up quickly. Then move on to monitoring the big expenses. Think carefully before adding new debts to your list of payments. And keep in mind that being able to make a payment isn't the same as being able to afford the purchase. Finally, make saving some of what you earn a monthly priority, along with spending time developing a sound financial plan. So guys, that's all about today's topic. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.